Efficiency and power. So after learning about power, we're going to learn how it's related to efficiency. The useful power out or the output power is the useful energy per second transferred by an appliance, while the total power in or input power is the energy per second supplied to an appliance. And as we learned before, that efficiency is equal to the useful energy transferred by the device divided by the total energy supplied to it multiplied by 100%. So, since power is equal to the energy per second transferred or supplied, this efficiency equation can be written as efficiency equals the useful power out divided by the total power in multiplied by 100%. And for sure, in any energy transfer, the efficiency cannot be 100% because there will always be wasted energy, which is the input energy supplied minus the useful output energy. And again, since power is energy transferred per second, then we can state that power wasted is equal to the total power in minus the useful power out. To sum up these equations and understand them more, let's work this example. It says that the useful power out of an electric motor is 20 watts and the total power into it is 80 watts. Calculate first the percentage efficiency of the motor and then the power wasted by the motor. Using the equations that we have learned in this video, we can calculate the percentage efficiency of the motor. It's equal to the useful power out divided by the total power in multiplied by 100%. What's the useful power out? It's stated that it's 20 watts and the total power into the motor supplied to the motor is 80 watts. And we multiplied by 100% to get the efficiency in percent. Then the efficiency is equal to 25%. Moving on, the power wasted by the motor is equal to the total power into the motor minus the useful power out, the used power. Then 80 watts minus 20 watts, the wasted power will be 60 watts.